name's Hannah and I work for J Parker's. I'm going to show you how to plant heuchera plants. So this is our heuchera collection, so you get 15. It's £17.98, so that works out at £1.19p a plant, so it's quite good. So the best time to plant them is the spring and the autumn, when the soil is still warm, but you can plant them at any time of year. If it's frosty, you can start them off in pots, and in the summer you can plant them. But you can put them straight into the ground. You just need to make sure that you water them enough as they're growing. So I've got a large container, I've put crocks in the bottom, and I've filled it most of the way up with compost. So I'm going to put 3 of the modules in here to start them growing off. So this is how they come. So I'm just going to pop them in here. And you want to sort of space them evenly so that they've got a nice amount of space to grow into. And then I'm just going to top that off with more compost. Okay, so that's nicely topped off with compost now. So these will grow into bigger plants over the next couple of months. So you can put this in sort of dappled shade somewhere a little bit sheltered, and as soon as they're a little bit bigger, you can then plant them into bigger pots if you want to, or straight into the ground. And then they should continue to grow throughout the summer.